What's good, y'all? You back with Streetz. You know what it is. Freestyle cooking with Streetz. Got another great recipe for y'all. Hope y'all feeling good. Day going smooth. Appreciate y'all watching, okay? So we gonna go right in, y'all. What I got up on the board, I got some cod fillets chopped into little chunks. Because what we're gonna do tonight is we're gonna do some fish nuggets, y'all. Okay, you know how you got chicken nuggets, we doing fish nuggets. Kind of like an alternative to fish sticks. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna do it in nuggets. I got some cod fish right here, some fillets I had bought, chopped them up. You can use any kind of fillet that you'd like, you know, swai, flounder, whatever kind of fillet you like, you can go ahead and it'll work with this recipe. Okay, so let's get right into it. Let's do it. Okay, y'all, now the first thing we're going to do is going to get our seasoning together for our fish. All right, first we use some garlic powder, tablespoon garlic powder. Next, a tablespoon of smoked paprika. All right, next, tablespoon of onion powder. Next, a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. This is optional, y'all, but you know, I like a little bit of kick to my grub. A tablespoon of Creole seasoning. Oh, yeah. Next, I'm going to do a half a tablespoon of my roasted garlic and red bell pepper seasoning, you know, giving it a little bit more flavor. Also optional, but I like it to be real tasty, real flavorful. Let's do it. And a half teaspoon of my picante seasoning, y'all. See the hot sauce? Y'all should try that hot sauce, man. It's really good. I mean, get into your local market, Walmart. It's good. Try it out. Also optional, extra kick. All right. And I'm gonna put a half tablespoon of black pepper, y'all. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this on up real good. All right, y'all, now that I got my seasoning all mixed up, I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side. All right, go ahead and got me a freezer bag, storage bag. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put in a half cup of flour. Okay, a half cup of cornmeal. Okay, I'm gonna do a teaspoon and a half, y'all. Teaspoon and a half of baking powder. And I'm going to do about a half a cup of cornstarch. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close. Oh, I'm going to put in, my bad, y'all almost forgot, seasoning. All right, we're going to go ahead and add 3 tablespoons, y'all, of our seasoning mix. All right. I'll go ahead and close it up. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and mix this on up, y'all. Get this all mixed up. You know, whatever you got left over, you can save that. All right. All right, next. So we're going to get our batter ready. All right. I got 2 eggs. Oops, my bad. Drop the shells, y'all. All right. Got me a bowl where I just cracked 2 eggs into the bowl. Next, I'm about to add about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Next, I'm going to add me some hot sauce. I'm using my Green Dragon hot sauce. You can use whatever kind of hot sauce you have. I'll say about a tablespoon. And I'm also add a teaspoon of salt. Okay, then I'll go ahead and mix this on up, y'all. I'm gonna take my seasoning that I got left over, add that to the mix. All right, now that my batter's all mixed up, go ahead and give me another bowl. Go ahead and get my fish chunks up in there. And, you know, and I'm just using, this is about a pound, a little over a pound of codfish that I had. You know, it's up to you. You know, you want 2 pounds, 3 pounds, you cook them for 3, 4, 2, you know, do y'all. All right, so I got my codfish up in, I got my fish up in another bowl. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour my batter all over it, y'all. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and mix this on up, y'all. Get that batter all over the fish, y'all. All right, y'all. So now, once I got all the fish coated, okay, I'm going to go ahead and let this just sit for a few minutes. Let the juices all, you know, seep up in there while I get my deep fry ready, y'all. All right, this batter is smelling real good too, man. Wish y'all could smell it, man. All right, let's do it. All right, y'all. Got my deep fryer out. Got my oil heated up. Set the temperature to 350. And that's where you want to have your oil temp at. I'm using peanut oil, but you can use canola oil, safflower oil, grapeseed oil. Like I said, I always say I like to use a high heat point oil, but canola is the go. Okay. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and get our fish up into our flour mixture. Just drop it in there like that. And we're not going to fry these all at one time, y'all. Okay. Okay. Got my fish up in the bag. I'm going to go ahead and just toss it up, y'all. All right. Got it all tossed up and coated, as y'all can see. And we're going to go ahead and start dropping them in, y'all. Okay. We don't want to overcrowd it. You know, drop them in slowly so you don't get none of that oil splashing on you. All right, one more. I'll do one more. All right. We're gonna let this do its thing for like 5 minutes, y'all, or until they get golden brown. You feel me? That's all it'll take. 4 or 5 minutes, y'all. 350. You know what I mean? When they look like they gold, nice golden brown, take them out, drain them. We almost there, y'all. I mean, our fish nuggets will soon be ready. All right, y'all. There we go with the finished product, man. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to take y'all through the whole motions of dipping and frying in each batch. Here we go with the finished product, y'all. Look at that right there. Our fish nuggets ready to go, y'all. Oh, yeah. When we open up one of them so y'all can see. Ooh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Real good. Let me take a bite of that. What I'm talking about, y'all. Fish nuggets. All right. So please subscribe, share, like, hit that notification, man, for new videos. And keep coming through, y'all, and watching. Holla.